How to do: kettlebell overhead, triceps, extension, step by step. 1. Stand tall or sit on a bench, chair for more stability. Grip the kettlebell by the horns, sides of the handle, with both hands. Lift it overhead, arms fully extended, bell pointing down behind your hands. Keep your elbows close to your ears. 2. Lowering phase. Bend your elbows to slowly lower the kettlebell behind your head. Keep your upper arms steady and close to your head. Only your forearms should move. 3. Extension phase. Engage your triceps and press the kettlebell. Back up until your arms are straight overhead. Squeeze at the top before repeating. Muscles worked. Primary, triceps, all 3 heads. Secondary, shoulders, forearms, and core for stability. Tips for success: don't flare your elbows. Keep them tucked near your ears. Keep your core braced to avoid arching your lower back. Move slow and controlled to protect your elbows and shoulders. Start with a lighter kettlebell until you master form. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.